Okay, I'd like to show you the back end of 1.0.5.02. This is not a version that's available for download. I'm testing it out to make sure that the code is stable. Um, so I just want to show you the back end. So on the mapping, we can see that we have a custom role right here that's mapped to the XenWord owner, which is a secondary user group. So on the left side here we have the secondary user groups in XenForo. So we can show that each of these users has been assigned. So Albert has been assigned as an editor. And then of course the one that's really important to us is Curie. So we're going to go to Curie, and we're going to put that Curie is an owner. And we're going to flip that right there. So now we know that when we have this mapped of XenWord owner, that it should say customer in our database. So we're going to go and look at our database, look at our WP user meta. We can see right away that there's nothing in there. So when we log in, I'm going to go here, and right now I'm logged in as LPH. I'm going to log out, and we're going to log in the front. We're going to log in as, we'll just start with Albert so you can see what happens when we go in as Albert. We go into the database and look. We'll refresh. And now down here you see Albert, who's number 2. You'll see editor sitting in the WP capabilities. So what happens if then if Curie is the one that logs in? Curie is a custom role. Curie is not using one of the standard default WordPress permissions, roles and capabilities. Here Curie logs in. We go over to our database. We refresh, and we actually see that under WP capabilities, you now see customer has been written in. So if you assign capabilities through a plugin like members or something like that, you can then make sure that you assign that capability to that person through the XenWord and the XenForo secondary user group with the XenWord bridge activated. So this should allow the mapping, and I hope that helps.